I'm calling it farrow farming. I got frustrated because I've tried and tried and tried and nothing would work. So then I just took the seeds and I was like, ah! And it worked. Oh my gosh, look at all these nasturtiums. So this is what happens when you just throw seeds out in the farrow farm. See this? Look at this. So you got nasturtiums galore, you got a banana tree happening, you got elderberries happening, you got potatoes over there. These leaves coming through in here are potatoes. Then you got garlic in here, a little harder to see, but you can see the stalks. There's a nice little bit of rosemary. You can see that. There we go. Banana trees right here. And then there's some sage. These purple flowers are sage, and the sage is growing in here. You got arugula. See how you got the little pods? Those are where the seeds come from. So basically what I'll do is I'll cut these off and I'll throw them down on the ground. They'll dry, they'll seed, and they'll grow again. You don't even need to water them technically. They will, because they're local, so they will just grow.
Well, these are not only beautiful, but they are delicious too.
Yes,
and
they are.
Make a really amazing salad.
I'll just go ahead and eat one of those.
You can eat them. Just watch out, make sure there's no aphids on them before you pop them in your mouth.
Woo, those are peppery.
Gary grew a whole farm of nasturtiums, so I've been researching nasturtium recipes, and one of my favorite and most simple is just a nasturtium salad. And also, the benefits of these are amazing. They're antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and they fight cancer, especially the flowers. These bright colors, they have anthocyanins in them, and bright reds, oranges, and blues. Those are all really powerful. So let's get to work. First, what I'm going to do is chop up the leaves. Now, you don't have to have it be only nasturtium leaves. You could also mix in some spring lettuces, but today I'm just going to use the nasturtium leaves. They're very peppery and pungent and mustardy, so you might want to, soften them a little bit with some spring greens. But Gary and I, we like the super peppery flavored salad. So I'm just going to put these beautiful green leaf pieces that I've chopped up into triangles around the plate, very artistically, because that's what we do here at the Farrow Farm. Now we're going to decorate the salads with these beautiful flowers. I'm also going to make a pesto, so the ones that are going to be processed in the food processor don't need to be quite as beautiful. And then I'm going to mix the yellows and the reds because I had them on my plate. There we go. See how pretty that is? Now I'm going to add more color, and I'm going to add some purple carrots. So here we go. I'm going to put some purple carrots. This is like a Georgia O'Keeffe work of art here we have going on. To dress these salads, I just want a really light vinaigrette. So I made this with avocado oil, rice wine vinegar, a little honey to sweeten it because this is going to be very peppery, a little salt and pepper, and I threw in some herbs. I threw in some parsley. So the quantities you can find on our website. So here we go. Aren't those the prettiest things you've ever seen? They're almost too pretty to eat, but not quite.